Hello everyone, my name is Xuchen Yao, Product Manager at Seasalt AI. Welcome to another episode of Seasalt AI Product Tutorial. Today I have some very exciting feature, which is the Instagram channel support right over here on our homepage. Instagram has been one of the most asked for channel integration after WhatsApp, Messenger, and the Line, and finally we did it. If you had your Instagram channel integrated over here, you click on this icon. It will go directly into your own business account, and from here you can actually message this business account. We're not a big user of Instagram, that's why we only have something tagged over here, right? But right over here, if I say, okay, tell me more about your channels, or what do you sell at the Seasalt AI if your business over here, and then you would see the SeaChat bot directly answering this question automatically without any user interference. In the meantime, I actually got this. If you go into the conversations over here, I actually have this guy's pseudonym called Pale Boasting over here. What do you sell at Seasalt AI? And we got everything right over here, right? I have my own profile since I'm not a big user of Instagram. I have my own profile setting to be hidden so that we cannot retrieve the user profile name from this user. That's why we gave it a pseudonym. But for some other users, you can actually get their real name if they choose to let you do that. Okay, now let's talk about the integration, which is actually pretty easy. First of all, you need to have a professional account, right? So I'm using my personal account. Since I'm not a creator or influencer on Instagram, you cannot message me and get automatic replies, right? But however, if you're a big user of Instagram and having tons of incoming messages, you can actually come over here, go to settings, and then switch to your account into professionals. And professionals over here are account type and the tools over here, and you just click on switch to professional account, either being a creator or business, and then you should be good, right? You should be good, and then we can get API access to your own personal account if you do not have so. Then the integration is very easy. What you're gonna do is you go to channels. The last step is over here, right? So you want to install this Instagram icon onto your website, but the first step is go to Instagram and configure this with webhook and a verified token. Basically, we are following exactly the same kind of tutorial as in our Facebook integration right over here, create an app, etc. Because I do not have another Instagram account, all I can do to show you right over here is a configured Instagram account right over there, right? So basically what you're going to do is this. It's actually pretty simple. You just create a new app, and you say create a new app, and then give it an application name such as like IG biz name, something like this, right? And then you go to next, you find the use case as others, and you fill up your business information over here, and you fill up some details, and then you create this app, right? You also choose your business portfolio over here. Once you have this one chosen, created, you're gonna have something like this, right? Instagram, and you're gonna add a product, right over here after your app. After you got your app, we already have Instagram, the app added, and that's why it's showing up over here, right? We're using the API setup with the Instagram login, and all you need to do is just 4 steps. Step number 1, generate access token. Once you have generated the access token, you go over here and set up this access token, right? We already gave you webhook URL. You paste it back. Over here. And over in the webhook URL piece, and also set up the verified token over here, right? That's the second step, and then finally, you have this access token and paste it into step 1, right over here. When you're doing the access token, you want to make sure that you have all the permissions that you need to to get Instagram messages. We actually have a screenshot right over here to at least select the messages field, right over here, so that we can have any message, incoming messages from your users, right? After you're done with everything over here, what you're gonna do next is go to your app. Presumably you'll be reusing your Facebook Messenger app, but if you haven't, that's totally fine. You want to set up your app mode into live mode, not under development anymore. In order to set up your app mode in live mode, you also have to set up your privacy policies and also some other things, right? You really need to set this app into the live mode, right? So for this one, all you need to do is go to app settings over here, and you go to basic. You put your own company's privacy, because you're also using Seasalt AI. You can also put seasalt.ai/privacy over here, and then you should be all good, right? Turn it on into live mode, and then test your Instagram integration. Should be working, and the Instagram integration will be showing directly under conversations right over here, aligning with other line or web chat or WhatsApp, and everything is like all in the same UI right over here, right? So this is and then the final step of what you want to do is you go to channels and you install this little widget right onto your website if you want to have Instagram installed, right? So what you have here is you add another channel widget. It's called Instagram, and put your professional account right over here, and it's gonna show up right on the bottom right side like this. And then you can copy paste this entire code and then put it onto your web page, and then you should be done, right? Okay, that's it, right? So finally, we have all the channels integration and Instagram. And if you got any comments, please let me know. And otherwise, welcome to use Seasalt AI and enjoy the full functionality of omni-channel messaging and ChatGPT-powered automated responses for your knowledge base and businesses. Thank you.